Hello everyone, welcome back to the Code Engineer. Today we are going to learn abstract in Python, the easiest way to format. Abstract allow you to insert variables and expressions directly into strings. The main important point you just add f, it may be lowercase and uppercase before the string and I use curly braces. For example, name, uh, subject, Python. I'm going to add f before the string. My name is within curly brace name. My favorite subject is within curly brace subject. Now we can run this code. My name is Arun and my favorite subject is Python. We can add f before the string. Suppose I am going to change the uppercase f here. Now run this code. The same output will be here. In this example, we are going to perform arithmetic operations inside abstract. A equal to 10, B equal to 20, print before we can add F, then double quotes, A plus B equal to, directly you can give A plus B. Now the output will be 10 plus 20 equal to 30. 10 plus 20 equal to 30. We can add arithmetic operations, for example, multiplication, like can run this code. 10 into 30, 200. In this example, we are going to format numbers. Numbers means here we are going to format real or float values is equal to 34.532. Now I'm going to price print before the price you can add a formatting f price is then curly brace price colon point to f. The price will be 34.532. I'm going to print two decimal places. That's why I'm giving colon 2f. We can run this code. 34.53. It is my output. Suppose I'm going to print one decimal place. Can just put 1f. The price is 34.5. Okay. Suppose I'm not giving the colon. The output will be show an error. So colon is must.